one of the most notorious murder cases in San Diego history. And now the man initially convicted of killing 12-year-old Stephanie Crow is getting a second chance at freedom. Today, prosecutors announced that they will retry Richard Tuite. Good evening, I'm Kimberly Hunt.
And I'm Steve Atkinson. New at 7, 10 News reporter Steve Fiorina has the bold prediction about what will happen at Tuite's retrial.
The Attorney General will again try the case against Richard Tuite here at the county courthouse downtown. The charge this time, though, is voluntary manslaughter, not murder. Richard Tuite has grayed a bit since being sentenced to prison in 2004. That conviction overturned and another trial ordered, legal action that angers the victim's mother.
To let a killer go free, but there's no justice in this world for Stephanie. There just isn't. We've already accepted that.
But Tuite could have been set free if the Attorney General opted not to retry because he's already served most of his time. This way, he may spend an additional 4 years in prison.
Because of the seriousness of the crime and public safety, we are proceeding.
Stephanie Crow was stabbed to death when she was 12 years old. Her brother, Michael, and 2 friends were initially arrested, but charges dropped. And Tuite prosecuted when drops of Stephanie's blood were discovered on his T-shirt.
Richard will be found not guilty if this case goes to trial, and I think this is going to be the big question mark in the San Diego judicial criminal system forevermore.
He argues the T-shirt was contaminated in the police evidence locker and says a judge's factual finding of innocence for Michael earlier this year has no merit.
Cannot be part of the trial because Mr. Tuite was never allowed to present all of the evidence that showed that the 3 boys actually committed the crime.
Tuite is being held in Central Jail without bail. He's due back in court a week from Friday. Steve Fiorina, 10 News.